Hello and welcome. If you're just starting your credit journey, you're in the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through the top 5 best credit cards for beginners in 2025. Cards that are easy to get, low on fees, and great for building credit. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Discover It Student Cashback. Perfect for students starting their credit journey. You'll earn 5% cash back on rotating categories each quarter. Plus, Discover matches all the cash back you earn in your first year. No annual fee, free FICO score access, and tools to help you build credit from day one. Number 4. Capital One. Quicksilver One Cash Rewards. Great if you have fair or average credit. Earn 1.5% cash back on every purchase. The annual fee is $39. Use it responsibly, and you may qualify for a credit limit increase in just 6 months. Number 3. Chase Freedom Rise. Built for those with limited or no credit history. You get 1.5% cash back on all purchases. There's no annual fee, and approval is easier if you also have a Chase checking account. A great first step into the Chase card ecosystem. Number 2. Petal 2 Visa Card. No credit history? No problem. This card uses your banking data to evaluate you. Earn up to 1.5% cash back after on-time payments. And best of all, no fees, no annual fee, no late fees, and no foreign transaction fees. Simple, modern, and beginner-friendly. And number 1, Capital One Platinum. This is a no-frills card designed to help you build credit from scratch. No rewards, but also no annual fee. It's one of the easiest credit cards to get approved for. And after a few months of responsible use, you may be eligible for a higher credit limit. Here are 3 quick tips for beginners. 1. Always pay on time. 2. Keep your balance below 30% of your limit. 3. Monitor your credit score regularly. Start smart, and you'll unlock better rewards cards in no time. Thanks so much for tuning in. We hope this guide helps you pick the right first credit card and take your first steps toward a stronger financial future. Don't forget to follow for more money tips. And until next time, stay smart and spend wisely. Take care.